Hi my little ladoos! Welcome to Little Ladoo's Craft Box. In honor of the Hindu festival Holi, today we will learn how to make colorful artwork using our names. Holi is the festival of colors. It signifies the arrival of spring and the end of winter. Hindus often celebrate Holi by playfully throwing colored powder at each other. It's a fun time to meet others, laugh, and play. To help us celebrate Holi, let's learn how to make colorful name paintings. You will need a sponge, masking tape, white paper, scissors, and different colors of paint. Let's get started! Hope you enjoyed watching Little Ladoo's Craft Box. Maybe you can try making a painting like the one we did today. Send us a photo if you do. Thanks for watching Little Ladoo's Craft Box. Make sure to like, comment, follow, and subscribe to Little Ladoo for more videos like this one. See you next time. Happy Holi! Bye!